Pizza time. I got a comment from Ice Twig saying I should make a ghost pizza. A ghost pizza. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I got this thing so I can suck up some ghosts. So I guess we'll go ghost hunting. Right, so we're in my backyard to catch a ghost because people don't know this, but my house was actually built on a Native American burial ground. Kind of like the movie Poltergeist, but way worse. What was that? There's a ghost behind me? Oh, I see it! Time to get sucked! Ah, you like that? You like getting sucked? Oh, I'm gonna suck you more. You can't stop the sucking. Ooh, you're a slimy one, aren't you? I'm just gonna suck you and keep sucking you until you're all sucked. Ah, sucking! Ah! Alright, got done sucking up the ghost. Let's go make this into a pizza. Alright, we got our dough ball. We got our ghost, I guess. Let's get right into it. Alright, always remember to flour your work surface, or just get a nice about 10 inches again. Oh, this feels really nice. Alright, don't forget, you can comment what you want and see me do next. Doesn't matter what it is. Might even get picked. Alright. This dough's nice and stretchy. Should be just about done. Alright, there you are. So, let's add our ghost. It's kind of just, I don't see anything in there. Alright. There it is. Ghost pizza, I guess. Let's put it in the oven. 600 degrees, 3-4 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Alright, there you have it. Ghost pizza. Alright, so I got the ghost pizza right here. Just cut it up, give it a taste. Honestly, it just kind of looks like bread. Nice crispy bread though. Oh man, that's really crispy. Alright, I'm gonna go for probably bottom right here. Look at that, nice and crispy. It kind of looks like a tortilla chip. This. Alright. Without further ado, I guess. Alright. I'm gonna get some of the crust over here. I suspected this, but the ghost doesn't really add anything to the bread. It's just kind of like, it's just bread. It is good bread. It is good dough that I make. But is this even a pizza? I don't know. Out of the Pizza Time rating system, it is good bread. I'll give it a 20. I'll give it a 20 out of 69.
Pizza time.
Because it's just bread. Alright. That's it for this episode. If you liked it, like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. And if you didn't like it, dislike it. If you have any suggestions for pizzas, comment them. I'm David Wavy. Thanks for stopping by. You like that? You like getting sucked